Hi folks, welcome. This will be a very sad video. Will be the last video at all of this channel. Took me quite some time to realize that I have to close this channel. I try many times for the last 18 months, 1.5 years, trying to keep uploading videos even if the results aren't coming. So yeah, something is very strange with this channel. It is easy for me to think that the fault isn't my fault, but the fault is about the YouTube algorithm. But that's too easy. It's too easy to think that the fault is about something else. So I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with my English. Maybe you prefer to watch my videos without voiceover. Maybe I have to improve my English and try to have more energy, try to be more charismatic so I can bring you for as long as possible on all the tutorial of my videos. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if the fault is mine or if I have a shadow ban on this YouTube channel, because it's so sad watching the analytics of this channel. I can clearly see that isn't growing my channel since a couple years now, and I don't really understand. The quality of my videos has improved, the English has improved, and also the quality of the projects I'm making is much better right now. So yeah, I don't know what's going on, and it's unthinkable for me. I cannot really realize the reason why I'm just losing subscribers and I'm not getting new ones. And also the views are so bad. I am uploading the same video in Italian and in English. The Italian videos are exploding. I have 100,000 views, and the same video in English just reached 500 people, which is a crazy difference. I cannot really understand. So that's the reason why I decided to close this channel and open Roelof is How to Make. It's the same channel, but with new content, new subtitles, new description of the videos, and new thumbnail and many other things. So check it out. I'm going to upload all the new content over there and not anymore here. So yeah, that's so sad. I wouldn't ever imagine to close such a big channel. We are more than 500,000 people here, which is a crazy number. I cannot even think to fit all these people here in my shop, and I have to close the channel. I don't know, let me know. Something very useful could be to know your opinion about all this story. Is my English bad? Is my voice boring? Do I need to make more jokes while I'm explaining the tutorials in my voiceover? If I have to improve like 1 or 2 minutes of the project and explain the physics behind the project itself. For example, the last project was a welding machine. Do you think it can be more interesting if I take 60 seconds and explain the physics of a transformer, the electrons that flows through the transformer and things like this? Do you think can be more interesting or be more boring? Yeah, all these feedbacks can help me so much. So let me know all the things you think can be constructive for me. At this point, I leave you as always here in the info below. Yeah, it's a very sad moment, because these are the last words for this channel. At this point, I leave you here, not the thumbnails of the last videos, but the link of the new YouTube channel. So check it out, and please think about considering to activate notification over there, so you aren't going to lose new content. Yeah, see you there, and stay positive for me and as always for your life and in general. Ciao, ciao.